Hey guys, Panda back with you, and guess what I got? I got my chain tool right here. I'm going to do a little video checking the chains. I know the chains are okay, but this is the part tool one I got. This one has a reading for 0.5 and 0.75. Basically, the 0.75, if that fits inside your chain with no issue, then it's time to change your chain out, okay? Pretty much applies to 6, 7, and 8 speed bikes. The chains on both the Rad Mini and the Lectric are 1/2 by 3/32 size chains. So I'm gonna go ahead and just check, kind of just show you guys what comes up here. Hopefully the video shows this. So we're gonna check on the 0.5 side. Basically just lay it down right inside the link. See that? See, it doesn't go in. That's a 0.5 side. Don't force it in either. It's only if it rests inside of the chain without any issue at all. So let's see what the 0.75 says. Yeah, see, we're doing good on that. Okay, let's come over here and check the, sorry for moving the camera on you guys, causing vertigo probably. All right, let's check the Rad Mini. The Rad Mini's got a lot more wear stuff going on chain with it, so I'll make sure it all matches up here. Let's check this out. Put that right down there. So you guys see that? Yeah. There you go. That's the 0.5. So yeah, nothing going on there. I'm gonna keep really close tabs on this too, because I'm really curious to see. As you guys know, I love to do experiments and actually find this stuff out for you guys. I want to find out how long the chain goes before it gets bad. And of course, if your chain gets bad, replace your chain, because if you don't replace your chain in time, you're going to prematurely wear out your freewheel or cassette, and it will also wear out the teeth on your front crankset too. Now, what I'm really curious about, older chain over here on this, my son's mountain bike. This, I'll be shocked if it's not worn and time to be replaced. This here is a 7-speed. Well, the front assembly up here, it's actually a 21-speed, but you're applying the concept to how big your back freewheel is. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and start with the 0.75. Let's start with the 0.5. I'm just really curious. Let's see. I mean, are you serious? It's like not even falling down in there. Granted, the bike hasn't been ridden as much, but this bike's had a lot of riding on it. That's the 0.5. Here, let's see. Check this one out just out of curiosity. Yeah, this chain's still good for a while. Look at that. Still good for a while. I'll admit, I'm surprised by that. I am surprised by that. That chain has not been replaced ever since the bike was gotten. Of course, this part tool one here, that's why I went part tool. Yeah, it's like $10 on Amazon. The cheaper varieties I found only had like a 0.75 and then a 1.0 reading. I like to have the 0.5 to kind of give myself an idea. Hey, the chain is starting to wear, but you don't have to worry about it until the 0.75 falls right down into place. Oh, I'm going to show you guys something else I got too. Really quick, in case you guys are wondering here. Got this Newton meter torque wrench kit. This is pretty much the old school style. Has a little dial, the knob that sticks out. And the nice thing about this kit is, number one, it was cheap. This is like 16 bucks compared to like 40 bucks. Gives you a little more versatility with the longer arm, shaft that comes down off of it. And this one comes with your 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter and a T25 star end as well. So really handy to have. I prefer having something, precision like this when I'm working on the expensive e-bikes. You're working on your brake assemblies, all those Allen bolts you have down there, your cable fasteners for your derailleur, for your brake caliper levers, all the small things on your handlebars and whatnot. Yeah, you don't want to overstrip those, man. I've been worried sick I'm going to do that. So, but I didn't want to buy something super expensive. So this is what I settled with for now. And of course, I'll put links to these in the comments or in the description of the video, guys. So anyways, hope you guys are keeping safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.